In today's world, people are getting rich using AI, but you're still broke? Why? Probably because no one told you where to start. But that changes today. I'm going to show you 5 powerful AI moneymakers that could get you your first $100 this week, and possibly help you build real income in a few months if you start right now. Let's break it down. AI is changing everything from how we work to how we make money. But most people think it's too technical or too late to start. Wrong. AI is now simple, fast, and free to use. The only thing you need? Knowing how to use it smartly. While influencers and businesses are cashing in, beginners like you are still stuck. So here's the truth, you don't need a degree, big budget, or even a laptop. Just some basic tools, a bit of effort, and this video. These 5 methods are proven, beginner-friendly, and can be done in your free time. Let's go! Use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create original artwork, then sell it on platforms like Redbubble or Etsy as posters, stickers, or t-shirts. How to do it? Go to Midjourney or DALL-E and generate designs based on popular trends, e.g., retro anime, cat memes, affirmations. Upload to Redbubble or Printify. Promote on Pinterest or TikTok for free traffic. Earning potential, $5 to $25 per sale. Just 5 sales can get you $100. Use ChatGPT to offer content writing, blog posts, or resume services on Fiverr or Upwork. How to do it? Pick a niche, blogs, product descriptions, resumes. Create a Fiverr gig like, I'll write SEO blog posts with AI assistance. Use ChatGPT to draft, then edit with Grammarly. Earning potential, $20 to $50 per order, land 2 gigs and you're there. With 11 Labs or Play.ht, you can create high-quality voiceovers and sell them online. No mic needed. How to do it? Use ChatGPT to generate scripts. Paste the text into 11 Labs to generate voice. Offer short ads or YouTube voiceovers on Fiverr or TikTok. Earning potential, $10 to $50 per voiceover. Create mini info products like planners, cheat sheets, or ebooks using AI. Then sell them on Gumroad or Etsy. How to do it? Ask ChatGPT to help build a productivity planner for ADHD or beginner's AI guide. Design with Canva, even free version. Sell on Gumroad or Etsy. Earning potential, $5 to $15 per sale. Sell just 10 and you're at $100. Content creators need editors. Use tools like CapCut AI or Descript to edit shorts for TikTok or Reels fast and easy. How to do it? Offer a gig like $20 Reels in 24 hours. Ask for raw clips, run them through Descript or CapCut for automatic captions, cuts, and music. Deliver high-quality, trendy videos. Earning potential, $15 to $50 per short. These 5 methods aren't hype, they work. I've seen people go from $0 to $500 a week just using 2 of these consistently. The key? Pick one, focus hard, and take real action today. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. AI handles the hard part. Your job is to use it smartly. Whether it's art, writing, voice, products, or editing, there's money on the table right now. To recap, use AI to create, not just scroll. Pick a method, take action, and $100 this week is totally possible. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and scale from there. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, it helps a lot. Share it with your friends so they can make money too. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to earn online with AI every single week. Let's get rich the smart way, starting now.